Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. It's been a while and I miss you guys. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a hoodie cap and how to fix it on the jacket. So today on this tutorial I'll be focusing on the cap of this hoodie jacket. Okay, if this is something you're interested in learning, stick with me to the end of this tutorial and you see how easy it is. You know, I always simplify my stuff, so you are going to see the simplified way of fixing your hoodie jacket. Okay, if you've not subscribed to my channel, this is the right place to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video you'll be notified and you go right ahead to watch it. I would like you to comment, tell me what you think about this tutorial at the end, and just comment and tell me what you think. Okay, so let's get into it. All right, so this is the fabric we're using. You can see I've already cut it. The height is 16 inches and the width is 12 inches. And what I'm going to cut, you are going to cut 4 pieces of this. Okay, and then what you are going to sew is ½ inch. Remember, after cutting it 4 corner 16 by 12, you're just going to create a curve at the top. Okay, as you see it like this. So you're just going to sew ½ inch at the top. You can see I'm going to cut 4 pieces. So you can see these 2 here and this is the other 2 on my right hand. So you're going to open it this way and put it seam to seam as you see it like this, and then you're also going to sew ½ inch to join them like this, facing each other. Make sure that your seam is open while you are sewing it, because this you can't press it open because this fabric doesn't really like heat. So you try as much as possible to avoid using heat on the fabric. Okay, so you also ½ inch. Then you turn to the other side and you start again from the middle going downwards. There you go, just cut off all your threads. Then you can turn it inside out. See, it's what you're going to do from the bottom. You're going to mark 2.5, that's 2.5, like so. You do the same thing here, you mark 2.5. So you just create a hole. The hole you are going to create should be as small as possible. Just create a hole, like a visible hole, so it should be as small as possible. So you can see this is enough. You do the same thing here. So what you're going to do here is you're going to use this is called an eyelet. The eyelet is in different sizes. I think this is the smallest size. So you just like force it into the hole because the fabric is stretchy, so it will be easy for you to force it to the other side. You see it? Then you put the other part of the eyelet and then you notch all around. I know this is metal, but then you can notch it with your scissors because it's quite slim. Like it's quite slim, so you can just notch it all around, and you should notch it as close as possible. Like don't give space, it should be as close as possible. There you go. So after this, you just hit it. So there's a machine that can fix an eyelet for you. If you have the machine, good for you, but if you don't have it, this is the way to go about it. Okay, you can see how it is. So you just do the same thing to the other side. See it? So you just do the same thing to the other side. So the next thing you're going to do is just to sew this part 1 inch. Just sew 1 inch on this part. So just sew it all through. If you've not subscribed to my channel up to this point, please just hit the subscribe button. It's right below this video. Just hit the subscribe button if this is your first time of coming to this channel, or if it's not your first time or you've not subscribed, please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be notified. Okay, so what you are going to do next, you're just going to put it like this. Put it over each other, like it should, the left part or the right part should be over the other part by about ½ inch. Then you stitch on it. So guys, I've been away for a while, but I am fully back now. You'll be seeing more of me almost every week. I'll be dropping a video every week. I'm fully back now. Okay, I've been working on something, but I'm done and I'm back. So I'm going to take a pause here and explain to you what I've been working on and how it benefits you. Okay, so let's pause here. I'm going to continue after the explanation. Hi, I'm Vincent, a tailor, content creator, and the co-founder of Lane Tailoring. I've been a tailor for over 15 years and I've trained over 1,000 students to professional level in tailoring all over the world. I have a YouTube channel with about 40,000 subscribers learning from my tutorials with several testimonials to show for it. Don't worry, you're in good hands. When I set out to create Lane Tailoring, I wanted a platform where people of different skill levels can learn. So, whether you are a total newbie seeking to start a career in tailoring or you are a tailor looking to upskill, I am pretty sure we have a course for you. Lane Tailoring works in a subscription model. Any subscription you go for, whether monthly or yearly, you have unlimited access to all of our courses within the period of your subscription. Yep, all of it. Consider Lane Tailoring like Netflix, but for your tailoring career. Happy sewing. So let us continue. Alright, so the next thing we are going to do is to fix the hoodie on the sweater that we've made. So remember that place we joined. We are going to start from there. And there's a notch on the collar, on the neck of the jacket. There's a notch at the front and there's a notch at the back. So we'll start fixing it from the notch. And our allowance for when we are sewing should be exactly ½ inch. Shouldn't be more and shouldn't be less. See, it should be ½ inch, exactly ½ inch. So you just maintain your ½ inch. So this is the middle point at the back of the hoodie. So you make sure it rhymes with the notch that's at the back of the neck of the jacket. And of course, the hoodie might be bigger, so you just stretch the neck of the jacket a little bit to fit in. You remember our jacket is, the fabric is stretchy, so it's going to rhyme. It's going to stretch easily. So just stretch it. And remember to always maintain your ½ inch while sewing. So when you get to the middle, you can just pause there. So you just pause there. And you turn it inside and continue. You see it, and then you continue still from the middle. So you can just come to the front and sew all the way back to the middle at the back again, or you can do what I'm doing. You can start from the back again and continue and come to meet the front. It's all the same. So you can see, you just stretch it to make sure it rhymes. So there you go, and this is what we have. This is what we have at the end of the day. So what is left for us now is to fix our rope in the hole, and that will be done. That's it. So we're just going to fix our rope. Okay. So we're going to use this pin and just put it inside. So there you go. So what we are going to do is we are going to fix this stuff. I think it's called edge protector, but for rope edge protector. So you just do this. You can get all these materials at the places where they sell fabric for joggers. So you just do this. So the protector comes with a cover. After this, then you can cover it. You can see how it is. So that's it. So this is just your plain hoodie. You can just brand it if you want. So this is it, guys. This is it. You can see how quite simple it is to fix the hoodie, the cap on the hoodie jacket, and this is how it is. You can see how comfortable it looks. So this is just how to fix the hoodie. If you want to see the full tutorial, you can visit my website www.learntailoring.com and you can watch it there on my website. Have a great day. See you in the next one.